Do you sneeze as soon as you wake up? It's dust mite allergy. People commonly refer to it as dust allergy. Dust mites are the reason for this. They live in our mattresses, beddings, carpets, and even some papers. They eat our dead skin cells that we shed daily. These mite proteins are responsible for allergies, asthma, sinusitis, and many more problems. Even eczema. Runny nose, sneezing, itching of eyes, stuffy nose, are its common symptoms. One can even have breathing trouble, cough, and wheezing because of these dust mites. Testing is by doing skin prick tests for allergy and also some blood allergy tests whenever required. Allergies can be treated, especially dust mite allergy can be treated very well with the latest medicines and also allergen-specific immunotherapy, which is treating the root cause of the allergies. Follow us to know more.